Welcome to Simple Food Stories. On this episode, we're making Galinhada, Phase 1.
Ingredients:
chicken thigh and drumstick, rice, corn, oil, chicken stock, water, chopped onions, pressed garlic, lemon juice, turmeric, salt, black pepper, basil leaves, coriander leaves for garnishing. The process. Let's place the chicken pieces in a glass bowl. Add that lemon juice, black pepper, basil, salt. Sprinkle it on there we go. That's nice. And we're gonna give it a good massage and we're gonna marinate it pretty much. There we go. And we're gonna let it rest in the refrigerator for about an hour. In the meantime, let's wash the rice. Yep. There we go. Wash it real good. And we're gonna drain it. Let's heat some oil in a medium flame. And then we're gonna add the marinated chicken pieces on there. There we go. Whoa, that's getting pretty hot. There we are. Okay, that's good. Put the remaining marinade on there, because hey, extra flavor. And yep, we're gonna fry the chicken until it turns, I guess, golden brown on each side. Yep, there we go. Yeah, there we are. It's starting to stick on the sides, but that's okay because we're gonna get all of it in later. There we go. Oh, there it is. Look at that beautiful golden brown color right there. That's what you want. There we are. Amazing. We're gonna add the onions in, chopped onions, of course, diced. That garlic, put that in there, and we're gonna mix that in there. And we're gonna fry it for a couple of minutes. There we go. Boom, different angle, better shot. There we are. That looks juicy as hell. I'm digging the music though. We're gonna add some turmeric because you need that color, and we're gonna saute it for a bit. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Move it around. Saute it. And now we're gonna add in the rice, the drained rice that we had. There we go. Frying for about 2 minutes or so, and we're gonna scrape the base of the pan. You gotta do that. Gotta get in all of the flavors. Amazing. That looks amazing already. Okay, let's add in the corn, and we're gonna mix it well. And now we're gonna add in the chicken stock, water. Now this is where we do the deglazing. That's where all of the stuff that was sticking on the bottom is gonna start, it's gonna start coming off. And we're gonna let it come to a boil, close it with a lid, and let it cook on slow heat until the rice inside is actually cooked. Oof. Oh boy, here we go. Galinhada is ready to serve. Wow, look at that angle. Oh my god. Add some coriander leaves for garnishing. There we go, different shot, better angle, slow motion. That's like every single cinematic shot that you could think of when it comes to food. Enjoy. Until next time, this is Simple Food Stories.